Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be a super helpful video guys. Many of you ask me all the time in the comment section below guys, can I drive if I have a bad knock sensor on my car guys? Can I keep driving? So make sure you stay until the end guys, unless you are ready to spend $2, $3, $5, $10,000 on your vehicle depending how expensive your engine is guys. So in today's video we will cover if you can keep driving if you have a bad knock sensor and the consequences of doing that. Now we'll demonstrate on BMW, but pretty much any car will be that way guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs guys, we make more than 400-500 videos. But why we do all that guys? Specifically because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. Now if you need to buy a new knock sensor, any tools, parts to fix it guys, we'll share the links where we get everything from in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please guys do check it out. Now specifically here guys we have a BMW, but doesn't matter guys if you have a bad knock sensor. Okay, practically it's the same for all cars. Now knock sensor guys, if you have a 6-cylinder engine, V8 engine guys, most likely you have 2 knock sensors. Even 4-cylinder engines nowadays have 2 knock sensors, and sometimes you can find up to 4 knock sensors on 8-cylinder engines guys. Why the engine is doing all that? Simply so we can adjust things more precisely, you can have a smoother running engine guys, and you can guys avoid damaging your engine. So specifically guys, we had to remove the intake manifold to get the knock sensors on that BMW. This is a knock sensor, this is a knock sensor there. This is a straight inline 6-cylinder engines guys. Okay, it has 6 cylinders. Okay, let me show you. Those are the cylinders and the valves guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? So the sensor 1 guys, okay, controls the first 3 cylinders, sensor 2 controls the second 3 cylinders guys. What the knock sensor does guys? Something super important. When guys detonation happens in the combustion chamber guys, okay, what I'm talking about, when you have fuel, okay, and fuel and air combined and the piston is at the upper position at a specific time guys, okay, that spark plug needs to ignite. So now what is happening guys, okay, that knock sensor, if it happens too early, it's going to create a knock, like pinning. And if guys that knock keeps occurring, what could happen guys? You may end up burning, okay, valves, you may end up burning piston rings, you may end up burning catalytic converters, quite a few things guys. The purpose of that knock sensor is to adjust the timing of the engine. It's also to adjust guys, okay, the spark plug timing as well, variable timing. It does many things to avoid knocks. And if you keep driving with a bad sensor guys, yes you can, but it's going to cost you guys. Unless you're prepared to buy a new engine, you can keep driving. But if you keep driving guys for a long time, there is a possibility that you may end up needing a new engine or the engine rebuild. Why? Because you may burn your valves, you may guys burn catalytic converters, you can cause damage to pistons, to rings guys, quite a bit of things. So this is not healthy for your engine guys. If you have a bad knock sensor, never ever drive with one for a long time guys. Safely get the car to the shop and have them replace it, or replace it yourself. We have so many videos that explains how to replace a knock sensor and what needs to be done to replace one. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys have any more questions, let us know, leave a comment below. That's why we made that video, because many of you asked us, can you drive okay with a bad knock sensor? So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.